Can you smell that? Welcome to the kitchen, the heart of every home. Today, we're learning yummy words, the kind we hear, taste, and use around the kitchen and dining table. Let's start cooking up some vocabulary. First, the food itself, the stars of every meal. We have fruits like apples, bananas, and mangoes. Vegetables like carrots, broccoli, and corn. Grains like rice and bread that fill our tummies. And of course, meats like chicken, beef, and fish that make every dish delicious. Now, let's move to the cooking tools, the superheroes of the kitchen. We use a pan for frying, a pot for boiling soup, and a knife for cutting. A spoon for stirring, a fork for picking up food, and a spatula for flipping pancakes. Don't forget the mixing bowl, measuring cups, and oven. Ready to add more flavor? Let's learn some taste words. When food is sweet, like cake or chocolate, we say, it's sweet. When food has salt, like chips or fries, we call it salty. If your food makes your tongue burn a little, that's spicy. And if it makes your mouth pucker up, like lemon or vinegar, that's sour. Oh, and when something has a deep, delicious flavor like grilled meat, we say it's savory. Now, let's talk about meal times. We eat breakfast in the morning, maybe eggs and toast. Lunch comes at noon, rice and meat perhaps. Dinner is in the evening, a warm meal to end the day. And between those, there's snack time, maybe a sandwich or a fruit. Who joins us around the dining table? Family. We sit, share stories, and enjoy food together. That's what makes meals special. Not just the taste, but the togetherness. So next time you're in the kitchen, try naming what you see. The tools, the foods, the tastes, and the meals. You're not just cooking. You're learning new words every day. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to School Subjects Online for more fun vocabulary adventures. Until next time, stay curious and stay hungry for learning.